this is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no time. You and I can weather any storm. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more.
Hello there. So I'm back in my garden. It's Drich Day today. I'm going to find out what the Orkney word is for that. But as you can see, not much sunshine, bit cloudy, and we've had a little bit of rain this morning. So what I've done today is planted some trefoil seedlings and some poppies, red poppy seedlings that a friend had grown, and planted it in a couple of little pots and sent them up to me from the south Ronaldsay, and I have now put them in the wildflower bed. Come and have a look at my wildflower bed. Not much to see yet, but come and have a little look. As you can see, there are tiny little seedlings popping through the soil. These were planted by Malky from using wildflower seeds, seeds for insects, just to create a lovely feature wildflower border. As you can see, we have a couple of little friends looking after the lawn. Last year we reseeded this lawn, and as you can see, we have some daisies, and also somewhere about here we have the dandelions coming through. This lawn is right underneath these trees, which are now coming in to bud. And the birds love this little area. Malky is working in the greenhouse. Repairing the damage done by the wind. As you can see, there is a lot of work to do. And we've ordered the corrugated sheeting, and Malcolm at the moment is fixing the drain pipe, which will go into our water pot, which is a yellow dustbin to be fair, and we think we might get another one. I'd also like to introduce you to dustbin rhubarb. She's on her 3rd year, I think, now. And I'm wondering how we will fare with the rhubarb this year, whether it'll be better than it was last year. We'll have to wait and see. I've got some more plants here housed to go whilst we prepare the wildflower garden. There's some more seed to go on that border, but these will be planted in various points along the border. Again, these were given to me by a friend who grows her plants and down in South Ronaldsay, and she planted a few up for me so I could make up a lovely little border. I have got a few photographs of her border too, in the summer. This, you'll remember, I made a few years ago, and last year it had some potatoes and I left the potatoes in, so they're regrowing. See, just here now. They're regrowing from these. But there is a lot to do in this corner. And as you can see, on my hanging baskets is the timber and the piping for the greenhouse at the moment. But in there, I'd like to put some nice little border plants, I think. If you're looking closely here, there's still some strawberry seedlings that never came to anything, but the leaves still grow. Last year I was given this strawberry plant, and as you can see there's a lot of weeds in there at the moment, but they are trying to pop up again, which is good. And this was the spinach, perpetual spinach that I had in my greenhouse, and I just brought it out and they seem to be doing all right. They just grow and just keep growing all the time, all the year round. What is beautiful now is that the trees have leaves coming out on them. And you can still see in the distance some of the little daffodils still bobbing their heads around. This piece is always overgrown, and I quite like that. What I would like to see, possibly, is us cutting a path through that to the concrete path beyond. Many people walk down there with their dogs. And beyond the field is growing barley. There are not many trees in Orkney, so you always value the ones that you find.
Get up. Pick it up.